goo.
Oh, she got it. Good girl.
Come on, Rosie. Wait a minute. That's Rosie. She doesn't like running water.
You're going in there.
Dave, come on.
Good boy. Come on then. Good boy. Breezy, come on. Good boy. Little face, I just love it. Just little happy. Happy, love swimming. Yeah, tell her off. Get off my stick. I don't know, stick. Come on. She's in.
Well, 3 legs
3
anyway.
legs. Oh. Go on then, go swimming. Good girl. Good girl. You like paddling? No. This is some... Oh, first time for everything. She can't go anywhere. She's on the lead.
Yeah.
I got wellies on.
Oh.
Dave's still swimming, doing some laps.
Don't hold it tight, it makes it tense.
Go on, swimming. Yeah.
Dave, what's this?
Just follow my leader, isn't it, really?
Tempted I was to push you in there.
Rosie, no.
Flush.
Da, 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 on the outside. Yeah, it's about 3 foot deep, if not deeper. That is an awesome candle. That's really good. I'm impressed with that. Too. Quite tall.
Wait until the bangs come.
Yay! No, the weak one.
Yeah, Dave knows I don't give him any cake.
That's so funny. Some of my awesome cards. This one was done by Erin. That's me and Erin when we're old, retiring in Florida. Don't we look cool? Check out those varicose veins. They look great. Oh yeah. Look at us. Got some amazing cookies from Erin. Look how yummy they look. They're so good. Some of the cool gifts from Erin and Dave. There we go. We got some awesome yummy little sweets. Some tissues. Look at this magnet. Isn't it cool? Can't wait to put that in the fridge. Look at these awesomely cute shoes from Ellie and John. I love them. Look how cute they look. My freshly done toes in them as well. Thank you, Sandy. Look how nice they look. So shiny. I love them. They're so comfy. Love it. Not much cake left. Tasted so good. And there's not much alien cake left either. That was awesome too. And I got some really nice Body Shop stuff and a Lush scarf from my mum. Got some Lush things. Thanks, Mum and Dad. As well as my cool chairs for outside. I got my love seat chair, my 2-seater, my pillow, and also my stack of 4 chairs. I've been very spoilt this year. Aaron bought me some great clothes because I needed some new ones. So I got 3 pairs of trousers, I got some tops, I got loads of stuff. It's been brilliant. I've had a really good day. Even though I have been full of cold, it's been awesome. It was really good to see everybody, get everybody over, go for a walk in the forest with the dogs. It was so fun. So thank you everybody for all the birthday wishes and the presents and all the fun. It's been an awesome day. Who would know I was 31 today? So I'm going to go and chill out and take some Flu Plus to get rid of all this grossness. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. So in the meantime, don't forget, remember the little things.